Hello, beautiful. Today, let's swatch the 4 tints of our TiZO sunscreens. Knowing the tints and the exact shades of each sunscreen is one more way to narrow down the choice of your sunscreen options. We'll also discuss the differences and benefits of each of the 4 sunscreens. TiZO sunscreens provide broad spectrum, safe, 100% mineral protection while enhancing your natural skin tone, giving you a flawless finish and protection. They also pair beautifully with all of our mineral foundation formulas. Before we get into the swatches, I wanted to give you a couple of additional tips to help you choose your sunscreen. The Ultra Zinc and the Sun Defense, they are the richest of the sunscreen formulas. You could say thickest, but I dare say thickest because then you're going to think that they go on chalky and they won't spread well, and that is very untrue. They are very cosmetically elegant. The sunscreen primer and the AM Replenish are most like your under makeup primers in terms of formula and effectiveness. So they would be your choice if you're looking for a primer and a sunscreen all in one. That said, I have tested all 4 of them to a great extent, and they all work beautifully under the foundations. The Ultra Zinc leaves a silky finish. It has an SPF of 40 and its active ingredients is zinc oxide. The Mineral Sun Defense with an SPF of 50 leaves a satin finish, and it has a blend of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide as its active ingredients for sun protection. AM Replenish with an SPF of 40 also leaves a satin finish, has zinc oxide at 16% as its active sun protection ingredient, and it has ceramides added as a natural skin barrier protection. The Primer Sunscreen with an SPF of 40 leaves more of a matte finish, and it has a blend again of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide as your sun protection factors, and it's beautiful under makeup. Be sure to like and subscribe here on YouTube, and here on SimpleBeautyMinerals.com, be sure to add your name to our customer care list.